Well, winter storm update. Fire going still. Holding strong at what, 63 in the house?
Yes.
Very nice. You guys ever seen this before? Let's have a quick peek. That right there, my friends, is 10 inches of snow. My God. Yeah. 2 to 4 or 5, my ass. It looks like it's stopping, but that right there, my friends, is an update. It's only 8:30 in the evening. Same day, 21st January 2025. There goes a car driving very slowly. But yeah, that's 10 inches of snow. No, we did not move. We're still in Northwest Florida. Explain that. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'm going to bed. I'm going to be taking over Firewatch. The LAG the mama learned today. And she's out there watching smut on TV. And I'm going to go to bed and get some sleep. It is smut. Everything's like, oh, I feel so horny and stuff. And why don't you step into my car? Fire, mama watching smut, puppies, and I'm going to bed. So I'll catch you in the morning, and we'll see what happens from there. But holy shit, they didn't call for this, but there it is. 10 inches of freaking snow in Florida. What?
We never got 10 inches in Illinois, ever.
Yeah, we did.
At what time?
1979.
Yeah.
26 inches of snow in one fall. So, yeah, it happened. Usually we'd get about 6 to 8, and that was it. At the most. Here's 10 in Florida.
In Florida.
Yeah. So, update coming tomorrow. I'll catch you guys. This is video 2. Well, good morning. Holy shit. It looks like the pool quit and is frozen over surface. I don't know if we had a power flash or it just froze that way. It says 22 degrees, 21 degrees out right now, but it is 18 degrees out. And as you can see, we got just a little bit of snow. Holy shit. Yeah. Everything is snow. Time to go rabbit hunting and deer hunting. Yeah, the pool's got a crust over the top of it. We'll have to see what that does. But yeah, And if we go look out in the front, I'll show you how much snow we got. If I can latch this door. There we go. I'll go out front, show you how much we got out front. Hooey! Neighbors are running their furnace because they're all fancy. Yep. 55 in here right now. Somebody overslept. And, this guy. And, let the fire go out. So I got it going again. It was holding at 57 until I went, put another log on it at 4 o'clock this morning. And then I went back to sleep. But look at that out there. That, my friends, is 10 inches of snow. And, yeah, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. In fact, if you look around the corner, out this way, trying not to get my socks all wet. You can see it stacked up on the table there. That's about 9 or 10 inches right there of snow. I'd say a good fair 9 inches of snow is what we got. People have been driving, you can see, out there. Yeah, shut the door, BLG. 18 degrees out right now. And, cold. And get the house, this will get the house pump back up to about 63 or 4 again. And we'll go back to one logging it. That's an all-day burn yesterday, an all-night burn last night, and looks like an all-day burn going to happen today. That's a first. Shit. Well, I'm going to go drink coffee and warm up. Got our heat coming back up on our little thermometer thing here. You can't even see the thermometer thing. Let's see if we can get you to... got the heat coming back up. See, it's back in the orange a little bit. I'm really trying to get this fire to get bigger. So I'm going to work on warming the house up and stuff. And drinking coffee. And update coming a little bit later. Yeah, that. Well, here we are, folks. It is 11:30, and it is 38 degrees right now. Very nice. As you can see, it is also very bright. The pool is froze. Yeah, oh well. I think we must have had a power flash and it froze the pump, or the power flash and the pump turned off. The van is still covered in snow. We're slowly getting some drippage off of the roof. You can see right over there. Drippage, which is what we're really wanting, is we've almost burned all of our wood pile that we have in here. We had enough for, well, if we can stop today, we've got enough to burn through tonight. Possibly, but we're looking for that up there along the roof line to melt and drip faster because we want our solar panels open. We're not making any power, even though it's sunny. Our power solar panels are under all that snow on the roof, and I'm not going to tramp around in the snow to go out there and try to knock all that snow down. No, I'm not going to do that. It's pretty cool looking though. Yeah, I dig it. Like, look at those trees over there above the motorhome. It's pretty cool looking how it's just sitting on all the branches up in through there and stuff. Pretty cool looking. Yeah, it brings back the old Illinois snowy areas days. Woof. Oh well, update coming later. Okay. Same day, it's about 4:30. You can see. Hello, puppy. You can see some of the snow in the front yard is melting. Some of it. The street's pretty much thawed for now. Driveway is thawing quickly. Yeah, the snow's dropping. Guys. But yeah, the snow is melting slowly out of the trees and stuff. Gonna break another record tonight, I guess. My AccuWeather says we're going to get down to 12 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. Yeah, lovely. Absolutely lovely. But it is above freezing. You can see people are out and about. Sheila's out and about. Little puppy. And there you go. You be good puppies. Hi, Loki. Yep, that's what we got. So I'll update you tomorrow. We'll see how it goes as it melts and stuff. Yeah, it's going to be another all-night burn. Fire is out for today. We're using just electric fireplace, conserving wood. And we're going to do an all-night burn tonight. Obviously, if some fat guy doesn't keep going to sleep and sleeping too long. But yeah, see, we got the little fireplace going. This door closed. It's not horrible in there. But we're at what, 67 in here. And the man cave is, I don't know. I just got a space heater going in the bathroom in here. Kind of blasting things out, but it's comfortable. It's 66 in here where I'm sitting. So good enough. I'm playing a little bit of Call of the Wild, trying to open up some map and do some of these challenges. No big deal. It's not a video. But I'll see you tomorrow. All right? See you tomorrow. Yeah, you're seeing it right, people. Beautiful, huh? Some asshole probably spun out and ran into the power lines and took them out. It is 6:15. We're still holding in here at, oh, I don't know, somewhere around 65. But yeah, the power is out. There's little poor Sheila right there. And we come out here, we can kind of see. We got candles lit for power. Can't light the motorhome right now. So we're kind of in, here we are. She's calling the power company to see what's going on. But here we are in the dark. And it's going to get not to 12. It's going to get to 8 degrees tonight. And tomorrow. No. I've got the fireplace ready to light. I didn't want to light it yet because it wasn't cold enough to light it yet. Looks like the whole rest of the neighborhood's out. Yep, the whole neighborhood's out. Nobody has power. So there you go. Now it's going to be 8 degrees and we have no electricity. We'll have heat. But damn. We'll have heat. But holy cow.
The automated recording system is not available at this time. Please hold while I transfer you to a customer service representative. Your call is being routed to the next available representative and will be recorded.
This is going to be fun. I'll update you later. Good God, people. Crisis averted. Somehow they got the power to come back on. In a hurry. They must have switched power from a different grid or something. But we've got power again, so. And it's only 6:30 right now, so they got it on within 10 minutes. Amazing. They usually say, we should have it done by 2 in the morning or something, but it's on. So back to drinking beer and YouTube watching you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Probably in the morning. It's going to be a rough night. 8 goddamn degrees Fahrenheit in Florida. Oh, for 2 nights in a row. Then it goes down to a low of 39. That's normal. I know, I'm working on it.
Oh.
But that's normal. Look at that. That is a trained LAG to Mama right there. Speak and say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
See, I told you.
We're going to freeze.
Yeah, we're going to freeze.
No, we're not going to freeze.
My nuts are going to get tiny, and her boobs are going to get about the size of a grape. And those are some pretty nice boobs.
Yeah,
See?
okay.
Okay, we'll probably catch you guys in the morning. It's going to be rough. So
Hopefully
I'm just going to lay the camera over here and put it on the charger. Well, good morning, everybody. Morning. Let's see. This would be day 3 of the snowstorm here in Florida, northwest Florida. And as you can see, the pool is still frozen. It is in the beer blind 42, 44, 46 right now in the beer blind. As you can see, we have drippage and thawing. Driveway's coming back. Still plenty of snow to go around, but it's melting. It's melting away slowly. Lots of snow in the back still. You can see where I trudged out and got more firewood for last night. It did get down to 10, at 2 o'clock in the morning, and the power kept going on and off until about 11:30. I think we finally got to go to bed. I got up about every hour and 15 minutes to throw a log on the fire, but we made it. I maintained the house. It never got below 59. And, yeah, it was 62 most of the night. But my dumbass overslept the last leg of the night, and it dropped to 59. But I brought it right back up. Solar panels are thawing out. We are, believe it or not, through that little, what is that, 1.5 inches of snow on the solar panels up there. We are making a little bit of power today. We've got some wood. I'm going to have to trim some up. Some of these are too long. I'll have to trim some up. We got wood for a fire tonight. And then we should be okay out of the woods for the most part for cold. It'll be, after tonight, tomorrow I think they're saying it's supposed to be like 36 or 30 something for a low, which is nothing. That's normal. So that's cool. There's our update. We got drippage and things. In Illinois, I'd be out here drinking beers and watching YouTube in 46 degrees during the winter time. But we got drippage and stuff. See it all dripping? Drip, 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 drip. Melting. Ha-ha. Okay, well, I guess this might wrap it up. Basically what's going to happen, one more night of cold. This is all melting during the day. And it's just going to start getting warmer again. 60s and 40s. Shit like that. And, yeah, stuff like that. So, I'm going to wrap this video up. You guys know what's going on. And, yeah, that's about all there is for this storm. And that's about all there is for you, snow, you piece of shit white stuff. Get out of my yard. Okay, well, I'll catch you guys. Whoa, what are you looking at? What, that? Oh, that's nothing. It's just where two beams were sistered together. Anyway, till the next time, folks, you guys know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe if you wish. It's free. And, peace out, people. Just peace out. I wanted to get my damn saw out. Because then I gotta trim some of that shit. I'm gonna do that a little bit later on this afternoon. Yep. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye, people.